Hello, my name is Karen King, and I'd like to welcome you to our meditation today, The Light of Wisdom. Wisdom, like all our spiritual abilities, is inborn. Wisdom expresses at a conscious level of functioning compared to instinct. Instinct is not volitional, but based on biological intelligence. Wisdom is often compared to knowledge. Wisdom is applied knowledge, our decision-making capacity through mental evaluation, spiritual discernment, and moment-by-moment intuition. And now, as the meditation begins, begin to focus your attention at your solar plexus, which lies mainly on the front of the aorta, where the primary artery enters the abdomen by passing down through the diaphragm, at the pit of the stomach and behind the stomach itself. Most of the nerves in this area belong to the autonomic nervous system, which operates beneath conscious awareness. The solar plexus is considered the other brain because of its nerve sensitivity. And now, let my words be your words, and affirm. I shine a yellow light, like the midday sun, through the region of my solar plexus. I bathe my solar plexus and the area around it with the brilliance of divine wisdom. I never need to worry about knowing the right thing to do. I do not judge by appearances, but right judgment. I do not rush to conclusions, but discern the way to go. Everything I need to know is within me. Divine wisdom is my spiritual name and nature. I can trust my aha and my uh-oh wisdom, moment by moment. I discern through divine wisdom my deep inner sense of direction. I trust and follow my inner voice of wisdom. I rest easy as, centered in spiritual integrity, I am true. I activate the power of wisdom in my body, mind, and spirit. I assert wisdom to live in the heavenly state of harmony, peace, and well-being. My tuning to divine wisdom blesses me and all others. I am the divine power of wisdom, wise. I spread the yellow sunlight of wisdom throughout my body, penetrating my skin and radiating out into the world like sunlight streaming over the earth. I dwell in my inner wisdom, knowing that I am eternally blessed. And so it is.